If you're a local law firm, you need Google My Business reviews. By getting more reviews, your website is ranked better because Google only refers sites that have a good reputation. How do they determine if you have a good reputation? It's your reviews. By getting more reviews, you increase the likelihood of people contacting you when they are trying to find a lawyer that provides the certain service that you do. When they're in that consumer research journey, right, they're going to look at your reviews, and that's going to determine if they want to contact you or not. If you haven't claimed your Google My Business listing, you have to. Otherwise, you're missing out. Hey lawyers, for today's video, I'm going to share with you how to get more Google reviews. Let's face it, reputation management is a key for any business, especially a law firm, and getting positive reviews online is one of the best local marketing strategies for free traffic. We'll go over how to get real positive reviews on GMB, Google My Business, and make sure you don't get kicked off Google My Business. Tip number 1, the first thing you need to know is that you can't break their terms and services or their policies. If you do, you could get suspended indefinitely on GMB, and that's not a good thing. So if you tell everyone that you know to write you a fantastic review on Google, then you're probably going to get in trouble, and it's just a question of when. So instead, you could tell people, hey, go check out my Google My Business, and just by saying check us out, if they want, they will, and if they leave a review, they will, or they won't. Alternatively, what I usually recommend is send out email and text requests after a consultation, or once a client leaves on a high note, send them that review request. That'll usually help you get more reviews with real people who have done business with you. Tip number 2, place a Google My Business badge on your site. So when people go to your website and they're looking for your services, they can get more information from people who have done business with you by checking out the reviews. It also gives them good insight on how your customer service is. Moreover, these same people can go back and leave a rating and a review on your business after they've done business with you as well. So make sure to place that badge on your site. Tip number 3, have your Google My Business listing within your email signature. Everyone uses email. I don't care if you're young or you're older, email is still one of the enormous backbones of the internet, and that's how communication goes down. So every time you send out an email, why not link out to your Google My Business profile? And the last tip I have for you is to share your fantastic reviews all the other social networks that you're on, such as Facebook, LinkedIn, Instagram, Twitter. Share those amazing Google My Business reviews. Not only will it give you more business, but more people will know that you're on GMB. They'll also be aware of your good reviews, then likely contact you if they ever need a service from you. Follow these tips and you're sure to get more reviews on Google My Business. As always, if you want to get a free website audit, including an online reputation score or help claiming your GMB, getting more reviews, send me a message here. You can text me at 415-366-9957. Later.